Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to create a video call link on WhatsApp. So it's super simple. Let's open up WhatsApp, and now we can exit a chat, and we're going to go to the call section on the bottom left corner where it says calls. And now you can see that there's a button to create call link. We're going to press on that. And now the settings for the call link have popped up. And now right on the bottom, you can see call type is video. So we'll leave it at that. To change the call type, you just press on it and you can change from voice to video. And now we have an option to send link via WhatsApp, copy link, share link, or add to calendar. So we're going to click on send link via WhatsApp. And now our contacts pop up. So all your contacts are here. You can choose one person or you can choose a multitude of people. I'm going to choose Nick Robinson and Noah. And then on the bottom right corner, I'm going to click on next. And now I can also, excuse me, and now I can also send a message to them. Hey guys, you should join this call. And then at the top right corner, I can press send. And I've successfully sent a video call link to both Noah and Nick, as you could see in the chats. And all you have to do is press join call, and you have successfully joined a video call that you set up. So thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.